In this video, I will show you how to add music on Messenger Notes. So let's get started. You can add music to your Facebook Messenger Notes anytime with just a few simple steps. First, open Messenger app on your mobile. Now at the top, you will find Notes section where you will find notes for you and from your friends. Now tap on your note in the Notes section at the top. Next, tap the music icon below your profile picture. Now use the search box at the top or scroll through the music list to find the song that you want to add. Let's select any song. Next, you can add caption in Share Your Thoughts section. Once done, tap Share to post the note with music for your friends to see. So here is our Messenger Notes with music. Now if you want to delete these notes with music, then just tap on Notes. And notes with music will be removed from your Facebook Messenger. So that is how you can add music on Messenger Notes. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.